Good afternoon. I'm Thoram Satvika from second year BA PEGMC. My topic is challenges faced by the women in India. In India, the women are given the status of goddess. On one hand, they are treated as goddess, and on the other hand, they are abused endlessly. The challenges faced by the women in India are different, but they are critically severe in one or the other way. The country has evolved, and also the problems did. They did not go away. They passed from one to another and from one age to another age. The India mostly has been a patriarchal society in where the women were treated as inferior and confined to the four walls of the kitchen. In earlier ages, the Indian women faced the challenges like Sati Sahagamana, no widow remarriages and child remarriage. Sati Sahagamana is a huge challenge faced by the Indian women where the widows are allowed are forced to throw herself on her husband's fire and burn them to death. The Sati Sahagamana at first was considered as a voluntary act, but later it became a forced practice which is very painful and brutal. Child marriages is also a major challenge faced by the women in India. In India, the women are married at a young age in which they do not even know the meaning of getting married to. Another major issue faced by the widows in India is no widow remarriage. The widows are not allowed to marry again after their first husband's death. In later ages, the women are attacked and tortured. It took a very long time for the women to overcome these challenges. Domestic violence is also a grave issue which is even seen now. Marital rape and dowry related harassment is also stood as a major challenges for a woman to face. Next up is gender discrimination. The Indian women face the challenge of gender discrimination almost everywhere in every matter. It may be the matter of employment or it may be the matter of paycheck. Most of the girl childs were killed due to the gender discrimination. Acid attacks were also the major issues which are faced by the women in India. We must all come together as a nation to fight against these challenges faced by the women in India. It must be made as a compulsion to educate every girl and woman for a better future. A man thinks he is a hero, but if he kills her, he will just remain a zero. Thank you.